Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? And today is and there, and we'll see that today is a very happy and today is an amazing time, as we see right now. I have an orbital head. That would be my face cam from now on when I play Roblox. So let's jump into it.
And I will be in his flight machine.
Take some green. Are you gonna play Cabin Crew one day? Take some green. Cause can you help me get the cups? I can't get the cups. Carry on. Wait. Cards, look, can you see? Cards, look. Alright, Cards, I'm leaving. I had to join this team for some type of reason. Bye, Cards. Alright, welcome, Cards. Well, today's an amazing day, as right now, whenever I press this, my head will actually move when I'm actually pointing at the cam. So, like this, see, this is pretty cool. Right now I'm sitting, so you can see it right now. But, you see, this is pretty cool, so I definitely recommend y'all to do it. So, when you play Roblox, and clear 2 cons. So, this will be very cool someday. You guys, you should try this. And then, suddenly we have there. So right now I'm playing Cabin Crew again for joining me in this amazing video. We are preparing our galleys. This is one of the new updates. So, that was one of my first videos. That unfortunately got laughed. That unfortunately was not my first video. So, it really doesn't matter. Thanks for giving me over a cool game right here, guys. That was a very special treatment from you. And that's what's happened when you do nice things like that. I mean, you could totally, you're too good. You're too good for me. I mean, you guys kept on subscribing to my channel. And that was just amazing. That was just how good you guys were.
Everyone here knows who Gamer here is the better channel.
What are you talking about? Crazy Gamer here is much better. I have a lot more views than your deal combined. Tara, make it copyrighted if you have that sound. So can you turn it down? So anyways, I'm trying to sub the crew. I don't know why. I think everyone's still starting to get cheated. And now I can close the doors.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This
is actually called very cool.
We're expecting a smooth ride today, so
this is very cool.
Thanks for flying with us. And
right now my
again,
cam's not live, so you see me doing nothing. Cam, this game's very cool. So here's me. I still got closed all boarding doors. Now you guys see, I was on time for my flight. Sorry.
Now we request your full attention. The flight attendants demonstrate the safety features on board this aircraft. Where the seatbelts are not illuminated, you must fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal fittings one into the other, and tighten by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To release your seatbelt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your
And
seatbelt
we're
fastened
starting to
throughout
get
the flight
on,
as you may
and
experience
nobody's
turbulence.
5.
There are several
Well,
emergency exits on
anyways,
this aircraft. Please take a few moments now
this
to
is gonna
locate
be
your
very
nearest
cool.
exit. In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you.
So,
If we need to evacuate the
subscribe to my
aircraft,
channel for more Roblox videos. Unlike
Doors can
Taysom
be opened while
Green,
moving the hands
he
in the
would never
direction
make
of the arrow.
Roblox videos.
Each door is equipped with an inflatable slide which
He unfortunately would never have time to play with me.
Oxygen and the air pressure are always being monitored in the event of a decompression
A
event.
lot of
An oxygen mask
suitcases just
automatically
made
appear
this
in front
flight.
of you. To start
It's
the glove
obviously
oxygen,
gonna be
pull the mask
packed.
towards you, place it firmly over your nose and mouth, and secure the
And now,
elastic band
I'm
behind
going
your head
upstairs.
and breathe normally. Although the band is not inflated,
Yes, my
oxygen
flight is
is flowing
upstairs.
through your
There's
mask.
Collins.
If you are traveling with a child or someone who requires assistance,
No.
secure your mask on
I
the
opened the
belt
door,
and assist
Collins.
the other person. Keep your mask on until a uniformed crew
You can
member
also close the
advises you to
door.
remove it. In the event of an emergency, please assume the bracing position.
And-
Lean forward with your hands on top of your head and your
sorry,
elbows
Dylan.
against your thighs.
I have a
Your
new
feet
dog
are flat
named
on the
Billy.
floor.
The
The
guy's
life vest is
Watson.
located
He
in
was
the
a
hub
lot
under your
smaller.
seat or between
I'll give
the
it to the
eyebrows.
face
With
cam
instructions to do
soon.
so, open the plastic
I'll give it
pouch
to the
over
face
vest,
cam after
slip it over your
I'm
head,
done with this.
pass the straps around your
Oh,
waist and adjust
I'm
the
done.
front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord only when leaving the aircraft.
It looks like I'm ready to go downstairs
Blow into the
and take a
mouthpieces.
seat
Use the
right
whistle and
here.
light to attract attention if required. Also, your seat bottom cushion can be used as a flotation device. Pull the cushion from the seat, slip your arms into the straps, and hug the cushion tightly towards your chest. At this time, your portable electronic devices must be set in the airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. You will find this and all the other safety information in the card located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read this before takeoff. If
There,
have
you
any
see right
questions,
now.
please don't hesitate to ask one of our crew members. We wish you an enjoyable flight.
That's right, dude. This is cool. But I have camera now. You can basically do whatever you want, but I'm not gonna use it. Ooh, yay! I'm gonna check my apertures to start off. Here's my cockpit. Yes, you can check the cockpit if you want.
That's why I have flight attendants.
What?
That's why I have flight attendants.
Such a big plane.
Yeah. I'm just helping him with it. I'm helping him with the buttons.
Here comes the plane. Boom, it's about to crash into the grass. I'm about to eat some meatballs, so if you don't see me talking for a while. Here comes, we're about to take off. Alright, so we're waiting to take off now. No one's to stop us. Oh, so
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
someone must have landed or took off. It's probably a landing. Here comes we're taking off. So that was a took off. I'll have to eat my dinner. My beautiful mom. So you guys won't see me talking. So I'll subscribe to my channel for more info.
We
Thank
have
you.
reached our cruising altitude. Flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Alright, let's get to eat them. see a Joe Biden continent?
Can I get a help? I got a help guy?
Yeah, just give me a sec.
I'm the only one doing work.
No, my flight attendants are doing the job. My FA will do the job. Alright. Well, anyways, 21%. This is a good thing. And now, welcome to the fight. Alright, we'll be looking. Ooh. Experiences confident in what flight attendant. Luckily, my flight attendant's here. They're helping on. Passenger. And now. Possum. Coming right up. You know, and there's the Glazing Gamer. Now, my flight attendant's right there, but you. Billy, what are you doing? That's bad. It's a little like a silly goose. Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Alright, Billy doesn't want to win the game right now. He's almost there. Oh, he's so small with a sleepy head. So, slightly muffled. My little Billy. My little Billy. You're so cute, my Billy. You want to be in the video? Right, and going downstairs. Looks like we're done.
This is your captain from the flight deck.
It looks like
We
we're
have
done
started
with
our
everything.
initial
Now we
descent
gotta
and
do
we'll
the
be landing
class,
soon.
obviously.
Thanks for flying with us.
I mean,
We hope to see you
otherwise we
again
weren't
soon.
our planes because we don't want to keep garbage around us. So take the trash. Then usually we'll go get new trash cans. So we got trash. So welcome to our Tiber Airlines. Tiber Airlines is one of the best in this place in Roblox. Yeah, we are going to Sydney, Australia. Okay, a very nice place. Because we are 4 guys. For them. So no turbulence. No turbulence. Now we're into the business. The business has nice and comfortable seats. And
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Bell, what are you doing? That's a serious.
Now I gotta wait. Come on, what are you doing?
Are you being a silly goose? I'll go back to a comment. I'll go back to a comedy class. My little Billy, such a silly goose. Subscribe if you more like a silly goose. Oh my gosh, he's running after me. He's after me. I think I'm saved. And weather partly cloudy. And we're ready to land this beautiful aircraft as soon. Airlines. Here's Colin's second seat. I gotta finish this flight. Then yes. Today asked me to play Madden on the Xbox.
Time. Can you see it over there?
And guys, I also like this, but also subscribe to Tate's channel because apparently you are unsubscribing to him. I know he was at 167 once, 168, and now he's back at 166. So I will recommend you all to subscribe to his channel. Well, anyways, welcome to Sydney, Australia.
Australia? Aussie. Wait, you're in Australia?
Australia.
Yeah, in this game.
Australia.
That is.
We're here in Sydney, Australia.
And here's our gate.
You should bottle of waters on your flight. You should bottle of waters on your flight.
Yes, I do. And stop saying bottle. Bottle of water.
Bottle of water. Bottle of water.
Oh my God! I'm afraid this is gonna hit. Oh.
Bottle of water.
Oh my gosh.
Bottle of water.
That is unbelievable. And that's it. We are finishing our flight up. I just gotta get the overhead bins and that will be it. I open all the cockpit doors for the pilots. That way they don't have to do it.
Billy! You come to me instead. Billy! Come on, Bill. Come to me.
So now
Go your buddy.
I have to do
Go your buddy. Nope.
all I have to do is open all of the overhead bins. That way, for our next fight, that way, just in case at this point, just get another fight on, everything will be prepared.
Go, Bill. Put you in your crate, Bill. You go to bed? Go to bed?
Yeah, all the site is open now.
Bill, stop. Bedtime. Bill, no. Bill.
Now every single thing on here is open.
Stay. Stay.
And then we have the first cabin.
No, Bill. Stay. Stay. No. No. Stop. Go away.
Now
Go in your crate.
focus
Bill.
on upstairs.
Sit. Sit. All right, put him in the crate so you can realize what's going on. Bill. Bedtime. Right now. Go lay down. Nope. Go potty. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go to bed.
Awesome. Now I'm done over here. Let's go to the other side.
Come on, Bill. Bed.
So this.
Come on, Bill.
I got one more.
Go lay down, Bill. No, none of that, Ted. No, that's just no. Hey, I didn't even touch you there.
What?
Yeah. Bill, go lay down.
Good for Bill.
What are we doing?
Hi, where's the football?
Give me a sec.
There, but you're not for playing. Bill?
Yeah, there's one more missing. It's not this.
No. No. Ah! No!
Oh, everyone's leaving.
Todd, take the ball! Please! Help! Help! No, take it. He goes in his crate. Chase him. Grab his collar. No, that doesn't help. Grab his collar. Grab his collar and put him in. Kai, grab his collar.
Sacrifice game.
Bill, go lay down. Go lay down, Bill. Oh, take your collar. And don't touch that football.
And that's it for today's channel. Thanks for watching. We'll have one more clip added on. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. Like I said, here's Billy. Here's Billy. Here's the sweet little intro little girl. Subscribe. Bye.